Very
Yes.
good
Hello.
morning to you. Yes,
Yes,
hello.
very good morning. How are
Yes,
you?
so yes, I'm doing great today. I'm fine, very well.
Okay, that's
Doing my
great. So
job,
welcome
my
to my
office.
channel. Yeah, welcome to
Yes,
my
thank you.
channel Learn English with Suman. Yeah.
Okay.
So may I know how has your day been so far?
Our day was so good. Actually, I started my English journey from just last 14 days. So it was so good, and nowadays going well.
Okay, that's
Actually,
great.
I am beginner. Not I don't have good friends in English. That's why I'm here. I want to practice a lot of practice, and I
Mm-hmm.
got this link in team group. One lady did join me here, and find out so many people are here, and sometimes I practice with them. Even I get you. That's grateful to
Okay.
me.
All right, all right. Yeah, it's my pleasure, I can say. Okay, so as we are meeting first time, I would love to know about you in a brief. So
Yes, yes,
please
yes.
introduce yourself.
Yes, thank you for giving me this opportunity. I am Monirul Islam. I am from Kolkata, West Bengal, and I have done my BTech for 2009 in information technology. Okay. After that, I had worked for 3 years in a MNC, but I left the job for started my own business, and I have started my own business after running this business 2 years or 3 years. There was some issue among our partner. Okay, that's why I had quit myself and just came back to my home. And after that, I did join in a educational institution. Presently, I am working here, and I am working here as a IT manager and a financial coordinator also. Okay, that's all about me. And I have some hobby also. I like to traveling. I like to watching movie, like playing cricket, badminton, and reading book. Also my hobby. Okay.
Wow,
If you
great to know about
you
you.
share about yourself,
Yes, sure. As you know that my name is Suman and I am from Delhi. I am a teacher by profession. I don't go any school. I just teach at my home as like a tuition. I can say I'm a tuition teacher. And as well as I'm also taking online class for spoken English. Like those are
okay,
beginner
that's nice.
student. Yeah, I teach beginner student. If I talk about my hobbies, so nowadays I love to connect with the people or I love to work on my channel. So I
Okay.
spend my times likewise. Yeah.
So how long have you been doing your YouTube channel?
It's been 9 months.
9 months. So how many subscriber are there?
Uh 800, more than 850. Yeah.
Okay. So you have to keep patience. It will
Yeah, I'm
reach
around
to
the nine.
8,000 or 8,000 or 8 million. I hope you will get reach 8 million also. Okay.
Oh my
One day you
God.
will get.
It's my pleasure. It's my pleasure. Thank you so much. Your words means a lot for me.
Okay. Actually, you are from Delhi. I want to ask you which side from Delhi? I
So,
have visited several times in Delhi for my job. Sometimes I went to Delhi for our official job also. So
okay.
there are many. I have relative also there in Korol Bagh. You know Korol
Yeah,
Bagh.
it's near to me. It's near to my home.
Okay,
I can
okay,
say
that's
Karol
great.
Bagh. Yeah.
Okay, there was there, not was there is a jewelry shop, Babu Jewelers. The owner of Babu Jewelers is my relative. Babu Jewelers located at Coral Bagh.
All right, all right. Actually, I never visited there, Karol Bagh, but whenever I go somewhere, so it's on the way. Like when I use metro, then
I like the metro or connectivity of Delhi. So many metro are available in Delhi. Very good.
I also love to travel by metro because when we go uh, on the metro. then we feel comfortable. There is no harsh, there is
Yes,
no crowd too much. So it's a
yes.
comfortable.
Sometimes I got very hard when I used to travel by car. There was very traffic congestion. So metro is the best traveling option in Delhi.
Yeah, you are absolutely right. Because of crowd, I don't go to outside because I hail from Chandigarh. So over there, there is no any traffic and there is no pollution, green and clean city, right? So when I moved in Delhi, so I faced a lot of problem. Still, I'm facing. I'm not habitual like to facing crowd. Whenever I go with my husband, I always put same question: how do you like bear this kind of traffic pollution? So he always reply, I'm habitual now.
Okay, okay.
Yes,
So do you have kids? How
yes,
many kids you have?
I have one kid.
Uh, yeah, so your kid is daughter or son?
He is a son. He is studying now fifth standard.
Okay, I have a daughter also. She just 8 years old, studying in class two right now.
Okay. Wow, I love to daughter. I always
Really?
love to caring them and tied the hair. I love this kind of activity to daughter.
I
Yeah,
know.
and I love also dresses, especially for
Oh,
daughters' dresses. You
yes,
know,
yes.
we can we can get so many varieties, but we
There
can't
are so
found.
many options for dress for particular girl, but
Yes,
there are no don't have many option for boys in dress.
yes, yes, right, absolutely right. Yeah. So, uh, which standard does your daughter study?
Just she just starting in class two.
Okay.
Class two.
Uh, okay. So does she speak English with you?
No, no. Actually, we are from Bengali birth, Bengali medium. She also studying in Bengali medium. We are living at a rural area. It's just 45 kilometers from Kolkata. But we have a flat also in New Kolkata. Do you know New Town? Do you heard about New Town? It's a new city nearby Kolkata. Okay, so
Okay.
sometimes we go to there, but all the family members are living here in village.
Village. Okay. You live in a village or city?
Yes, yes, I live in village, but I used to go or usually go to the city twice or 3 days in a week.
All right. All right. But by looking, you don't seems like that you are living in a village.
No, no. Oh, so actually, our village is smart village, and not like that.
Okay. All right.
All the things are available here.
All right. Okay. So here I would like to give advice. Try to uh, put your daughter in an English medium school because this is our dream,
Actually,
I can say.
there is a story. If I would share with you, it will take so much time. Actually,
Yeah,
I am
you can
working here.
share. You
It's a residential educational institution like Ramkrishna Mission. Okay. Actually, my father is a founder and general secretary of this institution. We have 75 branches uh, in West Bengal. Okay, and we are providing formal or basic education from class 5 to class 12, and also
your
providing
father?
needs. My father is a founder and general secretary of this institution, the Al Amin Mission. It's all by Al Amin Mission. It's similar as Ramkrishna Mission. Just it's for minority Muslim students. Okay. So my father started this institution on 1986 by seven students only. Nowadays, it's
Okay.
become 70,000 student. Okay,
Wow,
so
that's a great achievement.
for almost 47,000 students passed out, and 23 to 24,000 are running now. And every year, uh, so many students are getting a chance in MBBS in government college also. Okay,
Hmm.
so last year we have a good result also. Uh, five 500 students got MBBS in government college. Okay, this is that's why, and this is the fully residential institution. We have hostel facilities. So I would like to my daughter also study in our institution. If I put her in another institution or another school, so other people what will say? They will think
All
that.
right. All right. Now I get everything. As like your father running their own institute or school. Actually, this point I skipped.
Actually, this is the residential school. Residential
Residential.
school.
Yeah,
Uh,
yeah, right, right. Okay. So
as
this is
hostel facility.
yeah, that one sorry, those are Bengali medium, right?
Yes, yes. We have English medium also. English medium also. Okay.
Mhm.
But
All right.
Bengali medium branches are more than English medium. Nowadays, just we have just 10 to 12 English medium branches, and otherwise, rest of all are Bengali medium.
So you have total 75 branches, right?
Yes,
It's
yes,
a
yes,
big,
yes.
it's a big, so big.
Yes, even we bought bought land in Ghaziabad.
Okay, all right.
Okay, we are going to uh, uh, make a building there for higher education, like UPSC coaching, IS, WBCS coaching.
All right.
We are serving our society. Actually, 24% students are coming from poor background. Okay,
Mhm.
we are bearing their cost totally.
Okay.
25% are giving full fees, 40% are giving half fees, rest of them are totally uh, below, below 3,000 or below 2,000 they are paying. Okay, and we are providing them totally full of
Yearly,
education.
2000
Not
per month?
not per month. Residentially, we are providing food, we are providing coaching, and
Wow.
some of them are totally zero. They are not able to pay any money. They are giving just 100 rupees, 50 rupees.
All right, all right. I think I was right at that time as like you are saying I'm from village, then I said to you, you are not look like from village. You are not look like ordinary person. So I think I was right, right? You are up. All right. So I can say this is a you or your father are doing really very great job. You are
Yes,
providing
yes,
everything to a student according to their financial
yes.
as
Actually,
like
our total family member are associated with this institution. Okay.
okay, all right, okay, so you must start speaking English with your daughter
Yes,
also, you
this
know.
is there. Actually, English speaking was the biggest barrier to me. That's why
Hmm.
I started my journey, English speaking journey. I would say that one incident, just 20 days or 22 or 3 days ago, I got chicken pox. Okay,
Okay,
then I was totally separated from others, separated from my family members, or
okay,
separated from my friends, colleagues. So when I was in my room, that was so boring. So I decided that something I need to do. So what I should do? Then I decided that I need to practice English. because I am getting so much time. I have 20 days time, so I need to practice speaking English. So I have started just seeing some video, watching some video, English podcast, English conversation, and I saw that there are some boy who are living in village. They also try to speak in English, and they are also making some videos and uploading in their YouTube channel. That was so great, and this is the big influence to me. And I thought that if they can do these things, why I can't? So I
Yes.
decided that I have to do these things. If I who can cook, this is my final goal. I have to become fluent in English. Okay.
Yes, yes, right, right. Yeah, absolutely right. And I think you will, if you are doing with consistency and persistency,
Yes,
after
yes,
six
yes, yes,
month, yeah, after 6 month, you can see yourself. There is,
yes, yes.
yeah.
Actually, I did BTech. So actually, what happened to me? Actually, there was no culture of English. We used to talk in Bengali, talk in Hindi, but never talk in English. This is the big problem was there.
Okay, so could you tell me what kind of barrier do you have? Like, uh, because of English, what kind of situations you faced?
Actually, I faced many situations. Sometimes this is the educational institution. Okay, so some guests are coming from different states to our institution for some workshop on education purpose. So when they are coming from Kerala state, Bengaluru, Delhi, they used to talk in English. They don't speak in Hindi. When I going to communicate with them, I get stuck for due to lack of my English fluency.
Communication.
So this is the I think that this is the primary necessity for me.
Yes, yes, I can understand. Yeah, so don't worry, just you have to do four things. At the same time, you will be definitely become fluent. And within just 6 months, because you are know how to use sentence, how to use
Yes,
structure, just
I
you
know that
need.
even I have full of confidence I can do these things because this is the just if we dive into a environment of English or dive into a or everyday we culture that things it's easily habituated with us.
Yes,
Not
right.
English, anything you can you want to do anything. Just you have to practice them. Otherwise, nothing
Hmm.
is there.
Yes, absolutely right. Yeah. So, apart from speaking, do you practice another like reading or
Yes,
listening?
reading also. Reading is my hobby also, but reading was not hobby, but nowadays it's become hobby. I
Okay.
actually I read a lot of book, and maximum books I read in Bengali version, but I started in English version also.
English language, you can say. Mhm. Okay. So, what kind of books do you like to read? Like,
Actually, I like to read more motivational book. Okay, I don't go for literacy, don't go for poetry. I don't like that, but I like to read motivational.
all right, that's a great. Okay. Yeah. So, I think I asked so many questions. Now, your turn. So, please, if you
So,
want to ask something, so you can ask.
yes, apart from this type of activities, what you do? Are you engaged with any profession or not?
Actually, I already told you. I'm a teacher by profession. So apart from like conversation video or uploading my channel, making short solo video, up- like I prefer to teach the student because most of the time my busy with teaching schedule. I teach from 4 to 7.
Okay. So, what is your husband?
Does
What? Yes, yes.
yes, my husband is a transport manager.
Okay.
Mhm.
In airport or in
No,
other
no transport
transport?
transportation.
Transportation. Okay, okay.
Yes.
So, what you like to do in everyday life, day-to-day life? Do you
Could you
like
repeat?
cooking?
Sorry?
Do you like cooking?
Yes, I like cooking, but nowadays I just spend more and more time to enhance, or I can say to polishing my language. Whenever I get free, just I try to connect with the people, talk to with people, try to make solo video, try to watch English podcast, English conversation video. Just I am diving this kind of activity. I don't want to spend even more time in my kitchen.
Okay. Do you
Yes.
like shopping, traveling, watching
Yes,
movie?
yes. I love to shopping also, and I love to wearing different styles of clothes like suit, sari, jeans, top. I like everything. And yes, if I talk about traveling, yeah, I love to also traveling. But when being a teacher, I don't prefer to go every month, or I can say twicely or thricely in a month. I just love to go while holiday occasion because there are so many students, they depend only on me. They
Okay.
needs me. So that's the reason I don't prefer to go each and every month. Just I prefer to local visit. Um, Once in a year, I love to go long visit.
Okay. So, you are living in Delhi. Have you ever went to Taj Mahal? Have you visited Taj Mahal or not?
No, not yet, but I am thinking I must visit there because it's near to me. Not
Yes,
too
yes.
much near, but I can't say it is
It
too
will
much
take
far.
2 3 or 4 hours, most probably.
Yes,
Actually, I have
I don't
visited
have exact
Taj Mahal
idea.
from Delhi. Yes,
Yes.
actually, there was a good travel agency. I forget the name. This travel agency located at Coral Bagh, but I forget the name right now.
Okay, all right. So
So,
how
if you
many ta
don't mind, actually, if you don't mind, I would say you that today is Friday, so we have Juma time right now. So
Mm-hmm.
I need to go for that.
Yeah,
So I
it's
don't.
okay. It's okay.
So
Yeah, you can
can we
go.
close this session right now?
Yes. We should wrap up the session, and I can say it was really very amazing conversation.
Okay, thank you. Can we meet again another day?
Yes, sure. Please
Okay,
let
okay.
me your valuable time and text me on team application. Then
I
we
will
will
text you
connect
on
definitely.
team. Okay. Okay, thank
Yes.
you very much for giving me this valuable time.
Yeah,
Okay,
it's
thank you.
my pleasure. It's my pleasure. Yeah, thank you so much to you
Thank,
also. Okay, bye bye.
okay,
Nice to
bye bye.
meet you. Okay, have a great day.
Yes.